the kennel of Winnie the Pooh 2015 of Commando. You need to stay here for 1 hour.
Come on everyone, what's the matter with you? Okay everyone, you can stop now. Winnie the Pooh, what is going on here?
Sure, turn back to normal.
Really?
No. My pufferfish kids, it's ruined. All the animals have gone mad. Why?
Oh dear, Pufferfish 10 has back to normal. Yarr.
Hooray, I'm out of held back.
Rusty, have you seen Pufferfish friends through the big rock between the Kid Zone train and Annie?
Is your broken down in coronavirus?
No Rusty, first we will ask the cartoon creatures to pick up hats from a lockdown.
He broke my balloon! How can I ever speak to him again?
Silence! Pooh Bear, how do you plead? Guilty!
Oh my, it's Pooh Bear. Oh, he's going to tell Christopher Robin about the balloon.
Watch where you're going. You almost made me drop Christopher Robin's balloon.
But I'm Christopher Robin's balloon.
What are you talking about? I've got his balloon.
Now what are you three up to?
I'm sorry, but I broke your balloon, Christopher Robin.
No, I did. Tiggers are the ballooniest breakers.
I'm actually the one who popped it.
Christopher Robin, we're sorry, but we all broke your balloon.
Christopher Robin, I have broken your balloon.
It's not broken. It's only untied. The air's out of it.
Oh, no, not again.
Hold on, you two balloony brains.
Oh my, oh my.